Hello, my name is Sean Butler. I'm a Fellow of St Edmund's College, Cambridge in the UK. And this is a very short introduction to a form of intellectual property known as plant variety rights. And it's based on a seminar that I gave hosted by ICARTA in Syria on the 22nd of October 2007. Plant variety rights, I said, are a form of intellectual property, but they're very specific to plants. They were debated in conferences in the 1950s, resulting in what's known as the UPOV Convention in 1961. And that convention really set out the basic principles for intellectual property in plant varieties. First, that you had to get protection by showing that your new variety was distinct from other varieties, uniform, that it grew uniformly, and stable, that it was the same material from generation to generation. Once you'd done that, you could obtain rights, PVR. And those rights were, like most intellectual property, national, but over the last 50 years many countries have joined UPOV and have passed their own legislation which reflects the UPOV Convention terms. And so there's something over 80 countries, which means that it's a well understood system of rights, and also that if you have protection in one country, you can very easily understand how to obtain protection in others, and your rights will be respected elsewhere. The result of rights is that you can require people to take a license to pay royalties if they want to commercialize the seed. On the other hand, there are also limitations. First of all, farmers are entitled to retain seed from their harvest and grow it themselves, continue to grow on. And also breeders can use protected material themselves to form the basis of new breeding material. There are limitations, of course, also in the fact that it doesn't really recognise the work of farmers over generations as breeders, and nor does it recognise the source countries from which material has come. And that's why some countries have established sui generis systems. Nevertheless, overall, it's a well understood system and one worthy of further study. Anyway, this has been very brief, but I hope it's been some use. Thank you.